Hey, this is Susan from smokergrillgirl.com, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be roasting some Brussels sprouts on the Pit Boss pellet grill. So we have some Brussels sprouts in this thing that we've already washed, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut the ends off and then slice them in half. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, now that they're in this bowl, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and season them with some olive oil, kosher salt, and some black pepper. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and take them out to the grill. We're going to put them in this vegetable pan, and we're going to go ahead and season them we're going to cook them at 450 for 15 minutes. So we'll see you outside at the grill. Alright, so we're at we turn on the grill and it's preheated to 450, and we're going to go ahead and put the Brussels sprouts on the grill now. So we're putting them in that vegetable pan, and then we're just going to go ahead and put them directly on the grill and let them cook for a little while. So we're going to just close the lid and let it cook, and we'll be back. So it's been about 7 minutes that the Brussels sprouts have been on the grill. So what you want to do at about 5 to 7 minutes is you want to go ahead and move them around so that way they cook more thoroughly throughout. And then you want to just put them back on the grill once you're done moving them around, and then close the lid and let them cook for a little while longer. So it's been about 10 minutes that we've had the Brussels sprouts on the grill, so we're going to go ahead and remove them. So as you can see, they look all nice and roasted, so we're going to go ahead and transfer them from this pan to a bowl. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and take them inside, and then we'll be ready for the taste test. Alright, so we're inside and we've got the Brussels sprouts, and as you can see, when you grill them on the grill, they have a nice roasted, like a smoky grilled brown flavor coating to them. And another thing that I really like about grilling Brussels sprouts is that when you grill them, they still have a nutty kind of flavor and a little bit of a spice to them, even though we didn't add any spices to them. So let me go ahead and taste how it tastes. They're very good. They're really good. They have a very nice flavor to them. And again, when you cook them on the grill, you want to cook them about 450, and you want to leave them on the grill for about 10 minutes and make sure you shake them really good. So anyway, that's how you roast Brussels sprouts on the grill, and be sure to stop by my website at smokergrillgirl.com, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day.